Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm showing you guys how I make this quick and easy, simple snack. They're these sardine fritters. Um, I serve them with cucumbers. You could serve it pretty much with whatever you want, or you can just have them like that. I have cucumbers and just a little bit of this blue cheese dip. So the type of sardine that I use is this one. It's from Brunswick, and it's their fillets, and it's golden smoked, so it has that little smoky taste to it. And this is perfect for what I'm doing because it's deboned and it's deskinned. So yeah, and adding to that, I'll have green onions or scallion, regular onions, garlic, an egg, bottled pepper, hot sauce, regular grounded pepper. If you have garlic powder or onion powder, you could also use those, chili powder, anything that you want to taste up your sardine. For a lot of people, they don't like sardine because it's can be a little bit raw to taste. So anything that you would use to cook up your sardine, in a sense, you can add it to omit that raw taste. Again, if you like pepper, you can add your bottled pepper, your grounded pepper, Tabasco sauce, sriracha sauce, anything like that. You could add it. Just don't overdo it for your mixture to get too runny. So I'll add those. I'll add my egg. I'm only using one egg because I'm only using 1 can of sardine, and crack that, try to incorporate all of that. And also I'll be adding the black pepper right here, as you can see, but I'll be putting in about 3 tablespoons of almond flour. You could also use whatever binding agent that you want to keep these fritters together. Right here, I'm just gonna lightly line the skillet with some olive oil, and I'll use a brush to just cover the bottom of the skillet. Let that heat properly, and then add the fritters there. So what I did is I took a spoonful, however big or small you want it, and I put them in my hand like that, roll it together, and then I add it into the skillet. So this is what they're looking like. I did some like you would make fritters, some as like a ball, a donut shape. But what I did eventually was like I flattened out most of them. Instead of having that round, I kind of flat them out, and you want them to have that golden brown at the bottom. So I flip them, and this is what